In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Dbghelp.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on system information under the best match. And here you have to simply locate your system type. Now open a browser. It could be any of the browser that you have. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Hit enter. Click on it under the first match. Scroll down and then you have to click the download button corresponding to the architecture of your Windows and then wait for this to be downloaded. Once done, click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. Right click and then select paste, click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you need to right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first match. Scroll down and you have to click the download button for the system type of your Windows. Click on it and simply install the Visual Studio into your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.